The different municipalities comprising the province of Camarines Norte in Region 5 or Bicol region. The province of Camarines Norte has the municipality of Daet as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 5 or Bicol region. It is composed of 0 cities, 12 municipalities, 282 barangays, and was founded in 1829. The total land area is 2,277.93 kilometers squared or 879.59 square miles. Camarines Norte is bordered clockwise from the north by Philippine Sea, San Miguel Bay, Camarines Sur, Quezon, and Lamon Bay. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Camarines Norte in Region 5. We have the municipality of Basud with 29 barangays, the municipality of Kapalonga with 22 barangays, the municipality of Daet, which also serves as the provincial capital, with 25 barangays, the municipality of Jose Panganiban with 27 barangays, the municipality of Labo with 52 barangays, the municipality of Mercedes with 26 barangays, the municipality of Paracale with 27 barangays, and the municipality of San Lorenzo Ruiz with 12 barangays. We also have the municipality of San Vicente with 9 barangays, the municipality of Santa Elena with 19 barangays, the municipality of Talisay with 15 barangays, and the municipality of Vinzons with 19 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Camarines Norte in Region 5 or Bicol region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.